Here, my audience. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Let's imagine that you usually pay $10 for a lunch special, but today you weren't that hungry, so you decided to order a kids' meal. Obviously, you expect the price to be lower than $10. However, the store is asking you for $15. Ridiculous, isn't it? You are getting less food, but you have to pay more. And this is what electric vehicle owners exactly go through encounters when it comes to car insurance. Today, I'll prove that EV insurance premiums are unfairly high and urge insurers to adopt data-driven pricing. As an actuarial science student at Purdue University, ranked top 10 in US for actuarial programs, I spent the past year researching how insurance models assess risk for emerging technologies. Based on the data and analysis, EVs are safer and cheaper to insure. Yet, their owners are paying 15 to 30% higher. Let's compare the insurance premium between electric vehicles and gas-fired vehicles. According to Insurify, electric car insurance does it still cost more in 2025 by Emily Birkin and others, July 30th, 2025. The average monthly cost for car insurance for a gas-fired vehicle was $248. However, for EV was $357. That's a 44% difference in premium cost. Thank you. Currently, insurers are using risk models that rely on outdated data. That's why premiums for EVs are more expensive than gas-powered vehicles. This is unfair. According to the research by John Witt, electric car battery replacement costs, December 3rd, 2024, battery replacement costs for EVs are falling quickly. Battery prices have fallen over $400 per kilowatts to $111 per kilowatts. Some may argue that battery repair is still pricey. They may be right. But what if I tell you most of the electric vehicles does not really require the battery repair? According to the Inside EVs news by Adrian Nedelia, May 21st, 2024, the study finds only 2.5% of EVs had their battery replaced. Even though EVs' battery repair cost is decreasing over the years, and most of the EVs do not really need battery repair, insurers ignore these facts and keep the high insurance price for EVs. Since we talked about battery repair costs, let's now talk about its safety. Actuaries assess risk based on various factors and set insurance prices. Statistically, teen male drivers are at the higher risk of getting into the car accidents. That's why teen male drivers pay higher insurance premium than drivers who are above 20-year-old. So logically, if EVs are safer than gas-powered vehicle, its insurance premium should be lower than gas vehicle, right? You will find this fact very interesting. According to the article, the EV Safety Advantage, new report by Zachary Shahan, March 16, 2024, researchers found that injury claims related to driver's passenger in EVs are over 40% lower than what's seen for conventional car occupants from 2011 to 2019. In addition to the safety, electric cars can save your life from car catching the fire. According to the article, government data show gasoline vehicles are up to 100 times more prone to fires than EVs by Scooter Dahl, January 12, 2022, says, according to a recent report from the National Fire Protection Association, vehicle fires accounted for 15% of the 1.4 million fires that took place in the US in 2020. And those fires contributed to 18% of civilian death and 11% of civilian injuries. However, for EVs, it's about only 0.02% of the US fire total, which is significantly lower than gas-fired vehicles. EVs are safer and cheaper to insure than gas-powered cars, but its insurance premium is still a lot higher. Yes, this is a huge problem, and insurance must update risk models using recent EV data. You may think it's just about the fairness, but it really isn't. It could be a huge business opportunity. Currently, the US has over 3 million EV owners, and its retail share is growing exponentially over the years. Insurers who lower the premium for EV first will gain the trust, loyalty from over 3 million plus EV owners. Electric vehicles will dominate the car industry, and it is happening right now. Charging them more for insurance ignores all these realities and gives disadvantage to 3 million plus electric vehicle owners. Insurance must accept the innovation and take this great opportunity to attract 3 million plus customers. Thank you. Here are my audience.